Did you know that over 11 million people eat Pringles every day? That's a lot of crunchy chips. But have you ever wondered how these perfectly shaped snacks are made? Let's take a look at what's behind the can and see how Pringles became a worldwide favorite. Pringles' story starts before their release in 1968 by Procter & Gamble. While most people are used to the typical crispy, uneven potato chips, the idea of a uniform stackable chip was something completely new. This innovative idea came from Fred Bauer, a chemist who wanted to solve the issue of broken chips found in regular bags. He realized that a better way was needed to make sure every chip was perfect for the consumer. Fred Bauer wanted to create a chip that wouldn't break, tasted great, and looked different from other chips. After a lot of trial and error, he designed a unique saddle-shaped chip that he believed would stay intact and be more enjoyable to eat. But the shape wasn't the only thing he worked on. Bauer also created the canister packaging, which would keep the chips fresh and prevent them from getting crushed like in regular bags. His idea was groundbreaking, but it didn't become an instant hit. It took several years of trial and error before Pringles started to get the attention they deserved. In the beginning, many people were unsure about a chip that was so different from what they were used to. But after a lot of effort, Pringles began to appear in homes across America in the 1970s. Over time, people started to like the unique design, taste, and convenience of Pringles. However, it wasn't until Kellogg's bought the brand in 2000 that Pringles really became a big hit. With Kellogg's support, Pringles quickly grew to become one of the top snack brands in the world. By the 2010, Pringles was sold in over 140 countries, reaching millions of snack fans worldwide. What began as a creative idea from a chemist trying to fix broken chips turned into one of the most well-known snack brands. Now that we know the history of Pringles, let's explore what makes them so special and how the process turns simple ingredients into the crispy snack we all enjoy. Pringles are different from regular potato chips. Instead of being made from thinly sliced potatoes, they're made using a unique method that gives them their special taste and texture. The key ingredients are dehydrated potato flakes, starches, and other carefully chosen items, all adding to the signature crunch that makes them so popular worldwide. But where do these ingredients come from and why are they chosen? At the core of every Pringle is the potato. But unlike regular chips, Pringles don't use whole potatoes. Instead, they use dehydrated potato flakes. This makes the process more efficient, as large amounts of potatoes can be turned into a consistent product. Dehydrated flakes also ensure the chips are uniform in texture and taste, which can be hard to achieve with whole potatoes that vary in size, shape, and moisture. These flakes come from farms that grow potatoes just for making snacks. By working with these trusted suppliers, Pringles ensures the potatoes are always of top quality and meet their strict standards. After the potato flakes are harvested, they go through a process to get them ready for the next steps. The flakes are mixed with ingredients like cornstarch and rice flour. Cornstarch helps hold everything together, giving Pringles their smooth texture, while rice flour adds crispiness. When combined in the right amounts, these ingredients form a dough that's easier to work with than regular chip dough. This dough is then processed in a way that lets it be shaped and cooked evenly, creating the uniform Pringles we all recognize. It's not just about the texture. The ingredients also make sure Pringles have that unique crunchy bite that doesn't crumble. Regular potato chips, fried from whole slices, can have different textures, with some being thicker or crunchier than others. But with Pringles, every chip is the same. The dough, made with these important ingredients, is carefully mixed to create a smooth, even texture for all the chips. This helps Pringles keep their shape and crunch, giving you the same great experience with every bite. Once the ingredients are mixed into a smooth dough, the next step is to turn it into the signature Pringles chips. Unlike regular potato chips, which are sliced and fried in oil, Pringles are made through a special process that shapes and cooks the chips in one continuous flow. This method helps keep the chips uniform and makes sure each one meets the brand's high-quality standards. The first step in shaping Pringles is putting the dough into special machines that press it into thin sheets. These machines flatten the dough evenly to ensure the right thickness. Once it's the right thickness, the dough is cut into the signature saddle shape, making sure each chip is the same size and shape. This is how Pringles get their unique, uniform look. The saddle shape helps the chips stack neatly and prevents them from breaking during packaging. The whole process is mostly automated, ensuring that every chip is consistent in shape and size. After the dough is shaped into chip-sized pieces, it's time to cook them. Instead of deep frying like many other chips, Pringles are baked in a large hot air oven. This method uses less oil, making it a healthier choice compared to traditional frying. The chips are exposed to controlled heat in the oven, crisping them evenly. The hot air circulates around each chip, ensuring they cook the same way every time. This process keeps the chips light and crispy while lowering their fat content, making Pringles a healthier option than regular fried chips. The oven baking method makes Pringles crunchier without the greasy feeling that comes with fried chips. The result is a light, crispy snack with just the right crunch, so you can enjoy more without feeling weighed down by oil. Baking also helps control moisture, ensuring each Pringle stays crisp from the first chip to the last. By baking instead of frying, Pringles keep their flavor and texture consistent, making every can a satisfying snack. One of the best things about Pringles is their consistent, bold flavor. After baking and cooling, the chips are sprayed with a light layer of seasoning, making sure the flavors stick evenly. Whether it's classic sour cream and onion or bold BBQ, each Pringle tastes the same with every bite. This consistency is what makes Pringles so popular and loved by snack fans everywhere. The consistent flavor comes from a carefully made recipe. The spices and seasonings are mixed in exact amounts to make sure every batch has the right balance of taste. This ensures that every can of Pringles gives you the same great flavor, whether it's your first chip or your last. The precise recipe helps Pringles stand out from other chips and keeps them true to their unique taste. The oil-based spray helps spread the flavor evenly on each chip, so it's not just on the surface. This method makes sure every bite of Pringles tastes as good as the last. Thanks to this process, Pringles keep their strong brand identity, with each flavor offering a tasty and consistent experience for fans everywhere. Pringles' packaging is one of the brand's most unique features. The iconic cylindrical can is made to protect the chips from breaking and keep them fresh longer. This design also makes it easier to store and transport the chips, which is key for large-scale production. The packaging was created to solve the problem of fragile chip bags that often led to broken chips. After the chips are seasoned, machines carefully stack them into Pringles cans, making sure they fit perfectly and don't break. These machines work efficiently, packing the chips with precision. Once stacked, the cans are sealed tightly, keeping the crunch intact. The airtight seal helps keep the chips fresh and flavorful until they're ready to be enjoyed. The packaging isn't just about keeping the chips safe, it also helps make Pringles stand out. The design is easy to recognize and catches your eye on store shelves, giving Pringles a unique spot in the snack market. The stackable sealed can is both practical and attractive, making it simple for shoppers to find their favorite flavors. This focus on both looks and function helps Pringles stay fresh and keep their brand identity from the factory to your snack shelf. Before any can of Pringles leaves the factory, it goes through careful checks. Quality control teams inspect the chips for consistent color, shape, and texture, making sure no can is filled with broken or poorly seasoned chips. These teams work with machines that use advanced technology to find even the smallest imperfections. The machines are set to spot any chip that doesn't meet the high standards, removing it from the batch. This process helps make sure Pringles stay at the quality everyone loves. The careful quality control ensures that every Pringle, whether it's your first or last chip, is always fresh and consistent. The automated systems check each chip as it moves down the production line. If a chip doesn't meet the standards, it's quickly removed, so only the best chips make it into the cans. This reliable process helps build trust between Pringles and its customers. Maintaining quality on such a large scale is a big task, but it's key for Pringles to keep their reputation as a top snack. The mix of human checks and machines ensures that every batch meets the brand standards. Whether made in one factory or many around the world, the quality control process makes sure the Pringles you buy are just as good as the ones you've enjoyed before. This focus on consistency helps Pringles stay a trusted and popular snack. Once the Pringles are packaged and sealed, they start the distribution process. The goal is to get every can from the factory to store shelves around the world, and this is done through an organized and efficient system. First, the cans are sent to regional warehouses, where they're stored briefly before being shipped to stores. The whole process is carefully managed to make sure each can arrive safely and in good condition, so it's fresh for customers. Pringles has a large distribution network in over 140 countries, which means they have a complex supply chain to manage. After leaving the warehouses, the cans are stacked on pallets and loaded onto trucks to be delivered to stores. These trucks follow strict schedules to keep supermarkets and snack aisles stocked. Although the packaging protects the chips, the movement of the cans must be precise and smooth to meet the high demand from customers worldwide. Pringles works to keep the right amount of stock in stores and online. Seasonal flavors and limited edition releases are timed carefully to keep customers excited about the brand. This planned distribution system ensures every can of Pringles is fresh, consistent, and ready to be enjoyed, helping the brand stay popular with snack lovers worldwide. Next time you open a can of Pringles, remember that a lot of thought and care goes into making them. From the choice of ingredients to the special way they're made, Pringles are the result of smart ideas and large-scale production. With their unique shape, texture, and flavors, it's easy to see why they're loved worldwide. Every detail, from the ingredients to the technology, makes sure each chip is just as good as the last. The focus on quality control, smart packaging, and smooth distribution ensures every can of Pringles is fresh and in perfect shape, ready to deliver that signature crunch. Whether you're enjoying a classic flavor or a special release, Pringles stand out as a snack that's both convenient and delicious. The brand's global presence and ability to keep things consistent across millions of cans show how successful it is and how well it adapts to the changing snack market. Now that you've got the inside scoop on how Pringles are made, we've got to ask, what's your favorite Pringles flavor? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty breakdowns. See you next time.